Today I'm going to show you how I clean the engines on my vehicles. Believe it or not, this truck is only about 8 months old. It's not my truck, it's my son's truck who is in the Army. And to put it mildly, he's pretty hard on his vehicles. Because we really haven't driven this truck since July when he enlisted. And as you can see, it's got its issues. I can't blame him for everything. This stuff right here, a deer actually ran into the side of his truck on his way to work. But he's really not one to take care of his vehicles too well, and the truck's been sitting for the most part. So I figured I would come to the car wash to spray it off, but I wanted to show you how I've been cleaning my engines. And I've never had any issues, any problems. You don't have to touch the engine, do any scrubbing or anything like that. Plus, not only does it clean the engine, it helps protect all the plastic and the rubber, your belts, and anything like that. As a matter of fact, I had a 2002 F-150 with 238,000 miles when I traded it in. And I had never replaced any hoses or belts or anything on that truck. And I'd always used the same exact thing to clean the engine. So if you're wondering what this miracle cleaner is, tire foam. I'm not partial to any particular brand. I use whatever's cheapest, whatever's on sale. I haven't found a difference in how well they clean and protect it. But let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this engine. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes while I go spray off the truck, and then we'll see what it looks like. I'm done spraying off the truck, and I really just wanted to knock a little bit of mud off of it because honestly it's going to take a good hand washing to get the truck clean to where it needs to be. Let's see what the engine looks like. It's not looking too bad. Now remember, I went over this pretty quick. I didn't get everywhere inside the engine. I didn't get deep inside of some of the hoses and all that. Right around the air intake, you can take a rag and kind of wipe that in. And there were a couple spots on the firewall around the brake booster that I didn't get. But mainly I was just trying to show you how to do it and how easy it was. So you can always go back over it again to get these little spots like this that you might have missed or didn't see whenever you were first doing it. But as an overall, it came out pretty good. It was quick, it was easy. So if you want to keep your engine looking good and help protect your belts and hoses and all, give this a shot. I appreciate you watching.